All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, August 15th. I'm doing a quick scan here to see what we have coming up. We may have a short coming up on the mini NASDAQ, but let's take a look, first of all, what we're going to be trading this morning. We're going to continue on watching RTY. RTY is going to be the mini Russell, or we'll be watching NQ. It's going to be the mini NASDAQ. GC for gold, NG for natural gas. And then for the on the Forex side, you're watching the Euro US and the US Yen pairs. On the stocks, we're continuing to watch Tesla and Apple. And we've added in UNH, and TOP. All right, so let's take a look here. We are actually getting a short on the gold. Take a look at this gold real quick. Okay, on the gold, we are getting a short. This is going to be an HF2 short on gold with a, let's see here. Entry is going to be right here. Target is going to be 1788. All right, that's going to be the profit target, 1788. If we need to reverse, we don't hit that. We're going to reverse at 1800. All right, so 1800s, reversal, target 1788. Okay, getting a buy on Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. Okay, getting a buy right here on Tesla with a target of, let's see here, 908.80. 908.80. Okay, that's going to be the profit target, 908.80. And if it pulls back to 893.80, that could be a reversal and or stop, 893.80. All right, short gold, buy on Tesla, nothing on Apple. Not seeing anything on UNH. Not seeing anything on top. Looking at the currencies, not really seeing anything I like here in the currencies. I'll take a better look at this US yen. See a 132.77 short on the US yen, 132.77 short on the US yen. It's going to be a core trade, so a couple things we're going to be doing this morning. For the currencies, we're going to be using what we call our core strategy, which is a combination of 5 different patterns. On the commodities and on the stocks, we're going to be using something called Einstein. Einstein is a mathematical formula in combination with several different patterns to provide us with entry, profit targets, and/or reversals. Okay, watching UNH. Looks like UNH may have a pullback here. Looking for a pullback down to at least 541.30, 541.30. Okay, less than a minute to go. Still hanging on to the short on the yen. 132.77. Looks like we may be getting a reversal on the yen, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of the yen right here. It's going to be a loss on that short yen on 177. 132.77. Still short gold, looking for target on gold. Gold target is going to bring me down to 1788. Tesla looking for a run up to 308.80. All right, so still pretty quiet here. Looks like we're gonna get a lower opening on the Dow this morning. Um, don't have any setups yet on any of the indices. I am watching the mini NASDAQ for a possible short. Nothing yet. All right, about another 15 minutes here before the opening bell. We'll start seeing some pickup of volatility. We're going to probably get a lot more triggers here. Right now, still short gold. Looking for a run up here on Tesla. Maybe a little bit more pullback on UNH. All right, not seeing anything here at all. Still real quiet before the opening bell. All right, so for overnight setups, the only thing I have on right now is, let's see here, I'm coming in short on the US yen and coming in short on the pound US. Pound US and US yen coming in short on both of those from last night. Those are basically set and forget trades. We put them on the night before. We let them expire the following day. So I'm coming in short. Took the US yen. I didn't take the pound US. Okay, I'm just checking here. Green on the pound US, and I am also green on my US yen, so that's looking good for overnight trades. And right now, I have a short gold going on right now. Looking for a target down here of 788. I'm going to put another one on this gold on a pullback here. Adding to my gold short. Really mixed on the currencies this morning. I don't see any clear direction for anything here. Obviously, overall, I think the yen's coming down. Just don't have anything really clear right now. Just yen's just real quiet. Kind of going sideways here. So may have a double short coming up over here on the yen. Now, I do like these double shorts when you get two double carrots like that. You get these two, if you get two red carrots next to each other, usually a really good trade. Either up, either for a buy or a short, depending on which way the arrows are pointing. You have one going on actually on RTY right here. Well, you had a couple. Still not seeing anything here on the mini NASDAQ. I don't know if we're going to get that short trigger or not. We'll see. Short gold. Tesla's getting closer to its target up here, 908.80. Doesn't look like we're going to get that double short set up over here on the yen, so we'll let that go. Still short gold. Target on Tesla is 908.80. This is a strong HF1 buy on Tesla, so I like Tesla. On Apple, let's take a look at Apple here. I can see a potential pullback on Apple down to 170.63. I'll just put in a little line here. 170.63. 170.63. All right, you can see it pulling back down to 170.63. Now, if Tesla comes up to 172.13, that's going to be a nice HF1 buy. So we'll watch that as well. 172.13. Make that green. Yeah, that'd be a nice buy over there on Apple. If we can come up there, slowly working our way up on Tesla, trying to hit target. Still short gold, still going through that pullback. And we have about 2.5 minutes to go here before the opening bell. I'm expecting the Dow to open up lower. Not getting anything on natural gas. Still waiting on the currencies. Straighten out a little bit here. Nothing on the currencies. All right, opening bell, down 133 and down 170. All right, Tesla.
Profit target hit.
Tesla hit target. We did get that pullback on UNH. HF1 possible buy coming up on Apple. $172.13 is going to be that entry on Apple. All right, Dow's down to 130. Now we may actually be getting a buy coming up here on the mini NASDAQ. We're going to watch for that. If we do, it's going to be a nice HF1 buy. That buy's coming in at 135.82 and a half. Okay, seeing a pullback here on top, TOP. Let's see here. Pullback on top. See that to come down to $11. May get a pullback here on UNH. Come down a little bit further. Down to 538.80. Okay, we did get a trigger on the mini NASDAQ. That's going to be an HF1 buy. Okay, that's going to bring me up to 136.20 target. better. 136.20 target. That's going to be on the mini NASDAQ. So we're along the mini NASDAQ. Still short gold. Out of the long Tesla. Looks like UNH did pull back to our level. Waiting for top to pull back. $172.13 is going to be that entry on Apple. Possible double buy coming up on your euro over here with the. You get those double green carrots like that. Like once again, that's usually a really good setup pattern. So we do have that buy coming up on Euro US. Okay, so we just hit entry on Apple. Target on Apple is going to bring us up to 172.63. And we can either stop or reverse down here at 171.13. 171.13 on Apple. Okay, still holding short gold, still long on the mini NASDAQ. Apple's in a buy. Seeing if this double carat green will hold over here on the euro for a buy setup. Dow's still down 140, pretty quiet. Hey, got that double buy going on over here now in Euro US. Looks like on 102.11 is going to be the buy on the Euro US. 102.11. All right, no go on that Euro US. It reverse went down, got stopped out of the Euro US. Still short gold. Still long the mini NASDAQ. Long Apple, trying to get Apple up to 172.63. See if we can get this TOP over here to come down to 11. Looking for a pullback to $11. Nothing on natural gas. Not seeing anything on our mini Russell yet. Still long the mini NASDAQ. Still short gold. Well, yeah, the yen is just, US yen's just not moving. Right, still short gold, still long the mini NASDAQ. Still long Apple, 172.63 target on that Apple. Dow's now down 30, so it's starting to come back off its lows. Nice, Glenn. Good job. Nice. All right, now we're approaching target on mini NASDAQ. Been long that for a while. 136.20 is my target on the mini NASDAQ. Still short gold. Still long Apple. Waiting for top to pull back a little bit lower here. Thankfully, yep. Watch that EOM. That is definitely really important, right?
Profit target hit.
All right, so we just hit target on mini NASDAQ out of that. Still hanging into our gold. Gold slowly working its way down. Apple still in a buy, waiting for top to pull back. TOP down to that $11 mark. So far, I've been a pretty good morning here. A little tough on the currencies. I don't think I've had one single winning currency this morning. Had 2 trades, both losses on that. But I came back on the mini NASDAQ, and my gold short right now is working, so I like that. Apple's still working its way up. Waiting for top to pull back a little bit more. Nothing on Tesla, nothing on UNH. Absolutely nothing on natural gas. Gas is really quiet. All right, so we're getting up to the top of the hour here. So those joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you. If you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of us now is our new website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Also, there are plenty of educational videos, and also there is a video on YouTube at Innovative Trading Strategies that explains more about the way I trade in the morning. So I do talk about my core setups. I do talk about Einstein. Give you a better idea of the way I approach the markets. I don't use indicators. Everything I do is based on patterns and price action. I feel that's a much better way of trading. And it's proven to be successful for me over the years. So, and the other nice thing is on my entries, unlike a lot of indicators, I am entering at different levels and different spots on the chart where most people are not getting in and out of. So I don't have to run into any kind of competition. And that's the one thing that you're going to run into a lot on if you're using particularly breakouts. I know a lot of people use breakouts in stocks. They do it in commodities. They look at support and resistance. But once again, everybody else is looking at that. So you can have slippage. Once again, it's very subjective. The nice thing about patterns is they're non-subjective. So they tell me specifically whether I want to be a buyer or seller. And I just think that's a much easier way of trading. So, only thing we have going in after the hours, we're just going to hold on to our goal. We're still looking at that target of 788. Still long Apple, 172.63, slowly working its way up the target. I'm waiting for top to pull back down here. Let me see if I can get to the level on top. I'd like to see top come down to $11. It's slowly working its way down. Don't have anything on Tesla for you guys. Nothing on RTY. Already hit our target on the mini NASDAQ. Not seeing anything yet on the currencies. Possible short coming up over here on the euro. That is one I will take here if this green carrot holds. And that's going to be it. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure that you subscribe. That does help out my channel. So as long as I know that there's some value here for you traders, I'll continue to do this live show. First hour is always going to be free. And then beyond that, we do start trading in the live room. So we'll just carry over and in our live trading room and continue on with our setups. All right, everybody have a good trading day. Be careful, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.